Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about internet. Internet is nothing but a network of network. The things needed for internet are computer, modem, ISP, and software. Modem is nothing but modulation and demodulation. It is used to convert analog to digital and digital to analog. There are two types of modem: internal modem and external modem. Internal modem are within the CPU is called internal modem. Outside the CPU is called external modem. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. Internet Service Provider Jio, Vodafone, Airtel, etc. First one is web page. Today a document which can be displayed a web browser such as Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, Microsoft Internet Explorer, or Edge, Safari. Web page is often called as pages. Once again, web page means a document which can be displayed in a web browser is called web page. Website, a collection of web pages which are grouped together and usually connected together in various ways. It is often called a website or simply site. What is website is nothing but a collection of web pages. Web server, a computer that hosts a website on the internet is called web server. Search engine, a web service that helps you find other web pages such as Google, Bing, Yahoo, etc. The search engine is normally accessed through a web browser. Some of the web browsers are Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, etc. What is the difference between the web page and website? A single document on the internet is called web page. This has content about a single entity. Address of the URL of a web page depends upon the website. Development requires a minimum amount of time. Whereas in website, a collection of many related web pages linked together under one domain is called website. Has content about several entities. URL of the website does not depend on a web page. Development takes longer time. Difference between static and dynamic web page. Static means it cannot be moved. Dynamic means it can be moved from one place to another. Static web pages. The static web pages are very simple. It is written in language such as HTML, JavaScript, CSS, etc. For static web page, when the server receives a request for a web page, the server sends a response to the client without doing any additional process. And the web pages are streamed to the web browser. In static web pages, the pages still remain the same until someone changes it manually. Dynamic web pages. Dynamic web pages are written in language such as CGI, AJX, ASP, ASP.NET, etc. In dynamic web pages, the content of pages is different for different visitors. It takes more time to load than static web pages. Dynamic web pages are used where the information is changed frequently. For example, stock price, weather information, etc. Book evaluation. First Roman letter D words. Address. A D D R E SS address. Second one, communication. COMMUNICAT, cat, ION, communication. Third word, message. MESSAGE, message. Fourth one, conversation. CONVERSATION, conversion. Transaction. TRANSACTION, transaction. Opinion. OPINION, opinion. Dynamic. DYNAMIC, dynamic. Technology. TECHNOLOGY, technology. Explorer. EXPLORER, explorer. Doubtful. DOUBT, doubt. FUL, doubtful. Second Roman letter, fill up. Internet is a network. Internet. INTER, inter, NET, net, internet. DAS eliminates corruption. E-governance. WW stands for World Wide Web. WORLD, world. Wide, WID, wide. WEB, web. The email first used in 1995. The Facebook is the most popular networking sites. Third Roman letter, state whether the following statements are true or false. Every computer that connects to internet has unique IP address. True. Every computer has an IP address unique. Domain name system is also called as letter addressing system. True. You cannot send colorful greetings cards and interesting pictures through email. False. Why? You can send colorful greetings cards and interesting pictures through email. A link is only an image. False. A link can be a text or video, audio or whatever may be. Bookmarks make it easier to find the page later. True. Choose the correct answer. First one, IP address is a 32-bit. A Twitter is otherwise called as tweet. A tweet is limited to 280 characters. Click on customized Control Google Chrome icon to view the history of the browser. Reload button is used to load the page again. The Facebook was founded by Mark Zuckerberg. Next Rome letter, match the following. ARPANET. ARPANET was developed in the year 1969. ISP, Internet Service Provider, BSNL. Netscape Navigator, Browser, Twitter, Tweets. Refresh, shortcut key for refresh is F5. Next Rome letter, sixth Rome letter, expand the following terms. CC, carbon copy, CARBON, carbon copy, 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 carbon copy. Next one, BCC, blind carbon copy, BLIND, blind, CARBON, carbon copy, COPY, copy. Third one, DNS, domain, DOMIN, domain, NAME, name, system, SYSTEM, domain name, system. URL, uniform resource locator. UNIFORM, uniform, RESOURCE, resource locator, LOCATOR, locator. Define the following terms. Website, it has a collection of various web pages or collection of web page forms a website. Home page, first page of website is known as home page. URL, it is the address of the web page on the internet. URL stands for uniform resource locator. Name any two types of cloud, private and public. Three type of network, local area network, metropolitan area network, WAN, wide area network, storage area network, campus area network are the two services provided by the internet, World Wide Web, chatting, email, video conferencing, etc. What is internet? A network of network is called as internet. Network spelling NET, net, WORK. Network of network is called internet. What is web browser? It is a software program. It displays the web pages which contains information in the form of text, image, video and sound, etc. A web browser is nothing but it is a software program. It displays the web page which contains information in the form of text, image, video and sound. Text, TEXT, text. TXT, text. Image, IMAGE, image. Video, VIDEO, video. sound, sound, sound. Names commonly used web browser: Microsoft Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. INTERNET, Internet Explorer, EXPLORER, Explorer. Google, GOOGLE, Google Chrome, CHROME, Google Chrome. Firefox. FIRE, fire. FOX, fox. Safari, SAFARI. What is protocol? A computer uses set of rules to communicate with each other is called protocol. Computer uses set of rules to communicate with each other is called protocol. What are the two protocols commonly used in Internet? IP, Internet Protocol. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. Transmission. TRANSMISSION, transmission. Control, CONTROL, control. Protocol, PROTOCOL, protocol. Write a note on email. Email stands for electronic mail. It is used to send receive message to one or many person. Email stands for electronic, ELECT, elect, RONIC, electronic mail, MAIL. What is spams? Spams is an email message sent to large number of recipients. Spams is an email message sent to large number of recipients. What is blogs? It is a website. Single or group of people share the opinion, information regularly. What is blog? It is a website where single or group of person share the opinion, information regularly. What are the two types of addressing scheme used in Internet? Number addressing and letter addressing. What is chat room? A chat room is an area on the internet where user can communicate with each other. What is chat room? Chat room is an area on the internet where user can communicate with each other. What is meant by video conferencing? Video conferencing allows people to in different cities and countries to hold face-to-face conversation. Video conferencing allows people in different cities and countries to hold face-to-face conversation. Example: Skype, Google Duo. What is e-learning? E-learning means learning with the use of technology anytime and anywhere. It saves time and it is low cost. E-learning means learning with use of technology anytime and anywhere. E-banking. E-banking helps the user to do bank transaction through the internet without going to the bank. E-banking means allows the user to do the bank transaction through the internet without going to the bank. What is e-commerce? E-commerce stands for electronic commerce. refers to buying and selling of various products online. Example, Amazon.com. What are the two types of websites? Static website, dynamic website. What is netiquette? Netiquette is a set of rules to be followed while using internet. Answer in detail. Write down the advantage and disadvantage of email. Advantages. Email is cheap. Email used for advertising of business product. It is easy to use. Email is fastest mean of written communication. No paper is required. Email consists of few lines or thousands of lines, etc. Pictures, video can be sent via email. Once again I am saying advantage of email. Email is cheap. Email is used for advertising business process. It is easy to use. It is the fastest means of communication. No paper is required. Email consists of few lines or thousands of lines. Pictures, video can be sent via email. Disadvantages of email. Some email may upset. Spams, junks create noisance. Hackers can hack your email account. Email can carry virus which can damage your computer. Some disadvantage of your computer. Disadvantage of emails are some emails may upset. Hackers can hack your email account. Email can carry virus which can damage your computer. Second question. What are the safety measures to be done while sending and receiving mail? Keep your email address as private as possible. Don't respond to any doubtful email. Doubtful mail response panna. Don't share your password with anyone. Always use virus scanner before opening any attachment. Once again saying the safety measures to be done while sending and receiving email. Keep your mail address as private as possible. Don't respond to any doubtful mail. Don't share your password with anyone. Always use virus scanner before opening any attachment. Write down the advantages of social networking. The social networks are free. People can use it for the business. You can share information with others. You can connect with school friends, etc. It helps to create public opinion. Any news from one corner of the world reaches to other in an instant. Once again, I am saying advantage of social networking. Social networks are free. You can share the information with other. You can connect with the school friends or college etc. It helps to create public opinion. Any news can be sent from one corner of the world to other in an instant. Thank you.